So I will eat the sisiu first, okay? Don't like the sisiu, so I will eat the sisiu.
I don't like the sisiu. Even the sound is... It's just
Actually,
like
the sisiu is
egg.
more good. The pitos is more good than Iko.
No, you have the strength to drive long tomorrow.
Yeah, I have also strength for tonight. Joke. Okay, go. Invite natin si Hani, baka gusto niyang kumain ng balut. Meron tayong balut dito mga pre. Charon. 10 piraso. Nika? Gusto mong balut? May balut ako dyan pero walang Pinoy. Only balut.
No Pinoy.
Wala Pinoy. But the balut has the yellow one. Yung mga pre, may yellow yung balut natin.
Yeah, maybe yellow. Maybe yellow. You eat the fetal duck?
Daya ka. So, sa akin yung sisiw, sa'yo yung ano, yung dilaw. O sige lang, 10 naman yun, maraming. Tara na. Kain na. Dali ko, no? Huli ko, no? Sarap na pigo. Amoy sunog, aniko? Amoy sunog mga pre, kasi may naglinis dito sa likuran namin. Ay, sa tabi pala namin kanina. Ayan.
Horror? Really? I was thinking more, it's so comfortable, you can sit there together roasting some bread or something. I think
but I'm sitting here with beer. Oh, it's my day off.
And what's for me?
For you, I have a royal.
Alright, that's good.
Yeah, royal. Royal, baka naman.
Royal.
That's my balut.
Yeah.
I bought 10 pesos, ha? 10 pesos.
Yeah, I ate maybe 1 or 2. This one's mine, this one's yours.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow! Paminsan-minsan mga pre, mag-unwind tayo with our asawa. No? Did you can get balut, oh? I'll get the...
It's been, I only ate once, so I will first watch how you eat it, but I won't watch how you eat the...
Make like this. Yeah, like this. Sakit.
Very hard. You have to take the one.
Like that, open mga pre, sa mga kababayan natin dyan na malayo sa Pilipinas. There is the balut, guys. Ani ate this one once.
Yeah, it was a challenge, and
I
said never again.
I
will only eat it for the challenge.
Yeah, you can higup the sabaw. Like.
Here we are again. Now I see something swimming there.
Asin. And you want to higup this one?
No, I will first watch you eating one.
You can put thingy, this one first.
Spicy.
Suka. Okay, so suka.
Chili suka.
So again. Sarap. Maangkang. Oh, that's the thingy.
Fetal duck.
Fetal duck. You can hold.
I can hold, yes. But can I eat? That's the question.
I will eat. No. So I will eat the sisiu first, okay? Don't like the sisiu, so I will eat the sisiu.
I don't like the sisiu. Even the sound is disgusting.
Ang anghang. Ang sarap ng tuba, guys, to. Bagong-bago pa yung tuba natin. Oh, this is the dilaw already.
Yeah.
Dari ko.
This one.
Ang anghang.
It will come out again.
Yeah.
This one doesn't actually look so bad.
Yeah, this is the yellow one, oh.
Yeah.
This was good.
I thought you will get Pinoy.
This will hold it. Wow, walang Pinoy, walang available na Pinoy mga pre. Only Germans available.
German won't eat this one. I'm very un-German in
You can
eating
put
this.
the... What is it? Suka also, if you like.
There's the
Ibaligtad ang
feathers.
pagkabalat natin mga pre. There oh. You can put asin.
Yeah, I can.
You can bring this one in business in Germany, Aniko.
They will not eat
We
it.
asked Mama and Papa to try this one.
It will be a bad business, so it will not work.
Ang liit pa ng siso niya mga pre. The siso is very small. No? Yung mga pre oh. Wow, good man, guys. You eat siso once? Mama mia. You eat
The hard
the
one is
siso
not edible,
Swaiman.
right? The hard one does.
It's also edible if it's soft. But if
But
it's not,
soft.
then it's not.
I remember last time I was trying to eat it and was very hard and not very nice.
Hali. Cheers oh.
Cheers.
Bahala ka dyan basta ako kakain. It's up to you if you want to eat. But I ask you.
Yeah, I
Sabi niya
know.
dilaw, gusto niya dilaw.
I didn't remember how
You put like
disgusting the feeling is. I don't like too much. I don't like so much salt. Guys, I'm still not convinced if I will eat this or not.
You eat that once already, Aniko.
I ate that once and it was not so nice. I mean, it was not
Okay.
so bad as I expected, but
Nabuhos na, Aniko. Langsam.
actually the taste is quite good, but the feeling like I'm just now eating like the, how you call it in English?
Eating the
In
pitos.
German is the mother cake, the Mutterkuchen, the one that's making the
Right.
fetus
Yeah.
grow. And that's reminding me too much of a pregnancy. Okay, I'll just
Sarap. Ang anghang. Very maanghang.
but the sound is not very nice. This one is quite good.
Oh, see, it's good, no?
No, it's just
Actually,
like,
the sisu
like
is
egg.
more good. The pitos is more good, Aniko. Yeah. Sarap.
This one is just like egg, so it's okay for me.
Oh, see, told you.
But
Diba?
the thought of what I'm eating is not so nice. I think I'm fine with just one.
This one. What you will eat? One chicharon?
No.
Mmm.
I don't like chicharron.
Wait, sarap.
Ay.
Oh. Tapos partner ng beer. Wow. Paminsan-minsan, ano ka, no? Sometimes, no?
I think this will be fine for the next 2 years again.
I have chicharon also.
I ate it.
In Europe, you didn't hear this one? I saw chicharon.
No, they won't eat it.
Try one.
No, I don't like the taste. I really don't like it.
You don't like pat.
Yeah, for me this tastes like paper.
No, it tastes like pat. Masarap.
Yeah, I don't like the taste of fat.
Diba mga pe? Sometimes, yun.
Fat is nice to enhance the flavor of something else, but fat alone is not nice.
You
For
can
me.
Open for me one.
I can open for you this one. Where, there?
Yeah, it's up to you. Masakit, Aniko. See?
It's
You
very
make
hard.
very
On
fast.
the side?
Okay. Very fast. Okay.
Oh, the very Sure that this is the right one.
I think so.
It has to be hard so the chick is safe, right? I'm sorry, chick, you're not safe from the people here from the Philippines. Really, in Europe you can't eat this one. The people will not eat this. I think it's baliktad.
Huh? I think so, baliktad. No, it's nice.
But it's dry.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's nice that it's dry.
Ang galing na mga pre, oh. Samba, oh. Niko.
What do we eat, mabao, in Germany?
Mabaho?
Or in Europe? I don't know.
What I ate?
I don't know. What did you eat?
I ate the fish mabaho.
like from the north, like from Sweden and so on, the stinky fish. I didn't try that yet. I just heard it's very smelly. No. I'm fine.
Aray ko. Ang sarap-sarap eh. Ayaw mo?
I'm sorry, I'm too German still.
Wow. The last time we ate the poisonous, ha?
The not poisonous.
Not poisonous crab. Guys, marami nag-comment. Sorry. Hindi po yun poisonous, no? Kikulik karatungan o the other kind of puffer fish. That is porcupine fish. And that is not poisonous.
Guys, we're eating with our children there. We're not endangering ourselves for the children with buying poisonous fish.
You made research first. And also number one, they will not sell it to palengke, to the market. Well, it's poisonous mga pre. So,
don't worry.
Tulo isipon ko.
I think I already ate all the strange things of the Philippines so far.
Yeah.
Maybe not. There's still some left. Is there some like how is it? Crunchy grasshoppers or something like that? I heard in Africa or something they have crunchy grasshoppers.
I don't know what kind of grasshopper thing.
Me neither. But actually, it's fine if there's nothing more. I'm fine with what I tasted so far.
Last one. Last one.
Who's eating the last bite, or you want to eat more tomorrow again?
Huh?
Want to eat tomorrow again?
Oh yeah, the last bite for tomorrow. I mean,
or maybe Nanay or Tito
Kuya Mike.
Kuya Mike.
Ang mahal na ng balot ngayon mga pre. The balot now is very expensive. It's 35 pesos here in Palawan. 35, but you can boat this balot fresh in the market for only 20 pesos. So, bumili ako kanina. I bought 20 pieces. 10 pieces, sorry. Yeah. This one is good if you very slow stamina. Yeah. Also good for guys. Sarap talaga. Grabe.
I saw the eye.
Eye?
Just
Wow. Yung kinain niya yung balot na karaan mga pre. Sobrang dilim pa nun. Madilim.
Dilim?
Yeah, pinagpawisan ako. Ano ko, look, may ulo ko. Pinagpawisan na yung ulo ko. You have tissue there? Can you
sure.
get tissue?
Moment, I need to wash my face.
There's a tissue.
Where?
Yeah.
Where's the tissue?
There's a tissue.
There's the tissue.
Yeah. Sarap mga pre. The last time you put off lotion there, Nico, huh?
I like your hair.
You like me?
I like your hair.
Shut up, guys.
I don't like the balut sauce on my hand.
But at least you eat the thingy, the yellow one.
Yeah.
Only one.
Yeah. It's actually, the taste is like just like the yellow of the egg. It's fine, it's tasty, but like I said, the thought, it just looks too much like a pregnancy for me. So I can...
But we have also the burung kaning. You like the burung kaning?
Burung kaning?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the board one. The board one is not so good like in the self-made, or?
This one is good. Guys, all ready to eat now. I bought it in Lazada. Lazada baka naman.
Why you buy it in Lazada instead
I am
of making it
tired
yourself?
of cooking
Or...
this. Joke only. Uy. Oh, grabing asim mga pre. See? I smell it.
Yeah, it smells
I'll
good.
try. Try natin with ito yung burong kanin po. With chicharon. Tastes like kamyas.
Kamyas?
Masarap.
It smells good, but if we shouldn't both eat it, otherwise if one gets sick, the other one has to take care of the children.
Ah, yeah. Ako lang. Masarap. Super. Nandun lang muna yung aming small salo-salo with balot. Wala, hindi ko talaga maguyo.
Now you have the strength to drive long tomorrow.
Yeah, I have also strength for tonight. Joke. Okay ko. Okay guys, good night. Thank you, sinulungan nyo kami kumain ng balot. And
see you in
See you
our
in the
next video where we'll go somewhere again. I'm looking forward to that.
But I'm looking forward tonight. Amen. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.